Hello, children. Welcome back to social class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about chapter 9 transport. Children, staying connected with our family and friends is very important part of our life. In recent times, this has become very easy due to the availability of many modern means of transport. Children, nowadays there are several means of transport available to us. We use different means of transport to move from one place to another. We can choose from bicycles, cars, buses, bullet carts, etc. If we have to travel, we can also take a train to travel from one place to another. If we have to travel on water, we can go by boats or ships. We can travel by air in aeroplanes and helicopters. Children, transport is a system of moving people and goods from one location to another. Buses, trains, taxis, etc. can be used by many people at a time are known as public transport systems. Children, what is transport? Transport is the movement of people, animals, goods and services from one location to another. Children, we need transport to travel and carry our goods for professional, commercial or personal reasons. We need it every time and everywhere. Children, the first form of transport was the human foot. During earlier times, people traveled long distance on foot. They carried their load on their back or on their head. Later, they started using animals to carry the load. Their domestic animals were horse, camel, and donkey. They used sledge to carry their load. Children, the first sledge was made of logs and without wheels. Children, but it was very difficult to pull them on the uneven surface. Children, people used animals such as donkeys, horses and camels for transport. Roads were nothing but dirt tracks and people traveled in animals drawn carts and wagons. Children, transporting load was still very difficult to use and expensive. Children, the earliest boats were dugout canoes followed by sailing boats. Children, what is canoe? A light narrow boat for one or two people that you can move through the water using a flat piece of wood. Children, air transport was in the year 21st November 1783 that the first form of air transport, the hot air balloon, was invented in France. The invention of the steam engine brought a complete revolution. Today we have fast and modern means of transport like aeroplane, jet, train, bus, ship, car and many other means of transport. Children, these make it easy to reach every part of a country quickly, safely and comfortably. Children, transport improved during the 20th century. Buses and cars became popular. Then a completely new form of transport began in 1990. Aeroplanes began carrying passengers between London and Paris. Children, the Boeing 747, the first jumbo jet, was introduced in 1970. Children, next means of transport. The four main means of transport are roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Children, what are the four modes or means of transport? Yes, the four means of transport are roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Children, let us see roadways. What are roadways? Roadways are very flexible mode of land transport that connect villages, towns, cities, and even countries. Children, earlier the roads used to be narrow and uneven. Today, the use of modern technologies ensures broad and smooth roads. Children, the earlier roads were narrow, rough dirt tracks made up of mud or stone. This road replaced by broad, smooth and concrete roads on which heavy vehicles could move. Children, today the common road vehicles in most of the countries are cars, scooters, buses, tracks, etc. Children, most roads in cities are divided into two or four lanes. Children, the network of roads connecting major cities of the country are called highways. Children, what are highways? The network of roads connecting major cities of the country are called highways. Highways also called freeways or expressways. On the basis of construction, roads can be of four types: national highways, state highways, major district roads, and rural roads. Children, national highways are constructed and maintained by the central government. It also connects state capitals, major cities, ports, and railway junctions. Children, national highways are known by their numbers. For example, NH8 connects New Delhi to Mumbai. Next, state highways. State highways are constructed and maintained by the state government. Children, listen carefully. State highways maintained by the state government. National highway maintained by the central government. State highways join the state's capital with the district headquarters. Major district roads. These connect the district headquarters with the other important nodes in the district. Children, and last one, rural roads. These are inter-village roads. The network of roads connecting major cities of the country are called highways, also called freeways or expressways. Children, some of the world famous highways are, what are the famous highways? The King's Highway 401 in Canada, which is one of the widest and busiest highways in the world. The Australian Trans-Constitutional Highway and the Pan-American Highway. Children, which is the busiest highways in the world? The King's Highway 401, where it is located? In Canada. Children, India also has a good network of roads connecting the major towns, cities and villages. Children, highways in India are called national highways. Highways in India are called national highways and are developed and maintained by NHAI. That means National Highway Authority of India. Children, what is the expansion of NHAI? Yes, National Highway Authority of India. Children, how are the major cities of the country connected? The major cities of the country are connected through a network of roads called highways. Children, some of these roads also connect India with its neighboring countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. The Grand Trunk Road, which connects India with Pakistan. It is one of the oldest highways in India. The Grand Trunk Road, also known as Sher Shah Suri. The Sher Shah Suri to connect Bangladesh to Pakistan. Another important Indian road, Khyber Pass, which connects India with Afghanistan and Pakistan. Next, Indo-Tibet Road that connects India with China through Tibet. Children, the Golden Quadrilateral is the largest express highway project launched in India. It connects the four metropolitan cities Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai of India. Children, what are the important Indian roadways? Yes, the Grand Trunk Road, Khyber Pass, Indo-Tibet Road and the Golden Quadrilateral. Children, India is also connected to its neighboring nations by international highways. Children, India is the second largest road network in the world after the United States. Children, what problems has improvement of road transport caused? There has been an increase in road traffic which has led to increased road accidents and greater air pollution. Both of these are dangerous and have to be controlled. Children, let us move on. Railways. A large number of people and goods can be easily transported over long distances using trains. Do you know, children? India has one of the world's largest railway networks. Indian Railways network is one of the oldest and longest in the world. In 1853, the British introduced it in our country and ran the first train between Mumbai and Thane. Today, India has one of the largest network of railways in the world. Children, railways are faster and cheaper than roadways. Children, India has the fourth largest railway network in the world. Trains are of two types, passenger train and goods train. Children, we have many fast moving trains connecting important cities of the nation. The superfast trains of India are the Shatabdi Express and the Rajdhani Express. Children, what are the superfast trains of India? Yes, Shatabdi Express and Rajdhani Express. Some luxury trains like the Palace on Wheels, the Royal Orient, the Deccan Odyssey and the Fair Queen have been introduced to boost tourism. Do you know, children, India's first metro rail started years back in Kolkata. Children, in Mumbai and Kolkata, trains are an important means of transport for people going to work. In many of our cities like Kolkata, Delhi and Chennai, the metro rail has become a fast and convenient way of local travel. Children, an air-conditioned metro rail system is operational now in Delhi and Mumbai. Children, let us learn about important railway lines of the world. What are the important railway lines? Second Tunnel, Channel Tunnel, Trans-Siberian Railways, Train Grand Vitesh, and Kongai Maklev. First one, Seikan Tunnel in Japan. It is an undersea rail tunnel. Children, the rack level is 100 meters below the sea and 240 meters below sea level. Children, the track level is 100 meters below the seabed and 240 meters below sea level. Next is Channel Tunnel. It is 50.5 kilometers long undersea rail tunnel beneath English Channel between the United Kingdom and France. Children, next Trans-Siberian Railways. It is the longest railway line in the world. It is the longest railway line in the world. It is an Asia. The train Grand Vitesse is France's high-speed rail service. It is one of the fastest trains in the world with a speed of over 300 kilometers per hour. It is also one of the fastest train in the world. The Shanghai Maglev is currently the fastest train in the world. Children, the train running between Beijing and Shanghai. It has a maximum operational speed of 430 kilometers per hour. Children, Beijing, capital city of China. Children, what is the capital of Beijing? Yes, Beijing, capital city of China. Children, which is the fastest train in the world? Yes, Shanghai Maglev is the fastest train in the world. Children, it also known as Shanghai Transrabbit. Children, next we will move on waterways. Children, waterways have been a popular means of transport since ancient times. Water transport is the cheapest and most suitable means for carrying heavy and bulky materials. Children, the early humans used rafts to carrying goods. It was soon replaced by the boat. Children, after the invention of the steam engine, water transport also underwent a revolution. Children, about 200 years ago, ships ran by steam engine started replacing the sailboat. Ships became larger and faster. Today, most ships are drawn by diesel engine. Most bulky goods such as wood cranes, mineral ore and petroleum are transported by means of ship. Children, water transport helps to carry heavy and bulky goods over long distance like the railways. Children, what is meant by bulky goods? Yes, bulky goods means huge in size. Children, waterways is the cheapest means of transport. The only requirement of waterways is good ports with proper facilities for loading and unloading of goods. Water transport can be divided into two types. What are the two types? Inland waterways and ocean transport. Children, what are the two types of transport? Yes, inland waterways and ocean transport. Children, inland waterways is big rivers and lakes which are navigable are used as waterways. Children, large rivers like the Mississippi, the Nile and the Amazon are used by huge ships. Children, the Brahmaputra and the Ganga are used as inland waterways in India. Children, what are the rivers in inland waterways? Yes, the Brahmaputra and the Ganga. Children, next ocean transport. Children, ocean transport only used for seas or oceans. Children, the heavy goods like food grains, mineral ores or petroleum used for ocean transport. Children, some important sea routes are the Suez Canal route, the Panama Canal route, and the North Atlantic route. Children, what are the important sea routes? Yes, the Suez Canal route, the Panama Canal route, and the North Atlantic route. The Suez Canal route opened in 1869. It allows water transportation between Europe and Asia. Children, its route without navigating around Africa. The Suez Canal links the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. Children, ships from India traveling to Europe now go through the canal. They no longer have to sail around Africa to reach Europe. Children, the Panama Canal links the Pacific Ocean with the Atlantic Ocean. Children, the Panama Canal reduced the traveling time to 8 hours between the two oceans. Children, next one, the North Atlantic route. The North Atlantic route is the busiest sea route in the world. Children, which is the busiest sea route in the world? Yes, North Atlantic route is the busiest route in the world. The North Atlantic route connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. It links the USA and Canada to Europe through the Canadian waters. Children, the North Atlantic route is the busiest sea route in the world. Next one, water transportation in India. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers, the lagoons of Kerala are also used for transportation in India. Children, India also has a long coastal line with 13 major ports and 200 minor ports. The major ports are Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai, Kolkata, Visakhapatnam and Mangalore. Children, Mumbai is the biggest and busiest port in India. Children, which is the biggest and busiest port in India? Yes, Mumbai is the biggest and the busiest port in India. And last one, airways. The airways provides the fastest mode of transport. Children, airways is the fastest means of transport and also the most expensive. Children, the journey by air from New Delhi to Chennai takes only 2.5 hours. However, it takes more than 36 hours by train. A large number of seats in India are connected by air. Aeroplanes can fly over any territory, over high mountains or vast deserts. Children, airways help save time and are a convenient means of traveling to far-off places. Children, the world's first aeroplane was invented by the Wright brothers. Children, who invented airplane? Airplane invented by Wright brothers. The first airplane by the Wright brothers, Wilbur and Orville. These two Americans had developed a simple flying machine which underwent many changes with time. Children, today almost all countries are linked by airways and most of them have big international airports. Children, both people and goods can be easily transported by air all over the world. Children, airways are the fastest but also the most expensive mode of transport. Children, some important airlines are American Airlines in USA, British Airways in Britain, Air Canada in Canada, Lufthansa in Germany, Aeroflot in Russia, Alitalia in Italy, Japan Airlines in Japan, Emirates in UAE. Children, these are all the important airlines of the world. Children, what do you mean by UAE? United Arab Emirates. Children, now we are going to discuss about airways in India. Air India is the flag carrier airline of India. It is owned by Air India Limited, AIL, a Government of India enterprise. It is headquartered in New Delhi. Children, many private airlines such as Jet Airways and Indigo operate within the country. Children, a large network of air routes cover almost the entire world. Children, Air India is the flag carrier airlines of India. Children, let us recall what we have learned so far. We learned about transport. What is transport? Yes, transport is the movement of people and goods from one place to another. We learned means or modes of transport. What are the four means of transport? Yes, roadways, railways, waterways and airways. We learned roadways. Roadways are very flexible mode of land transport that connect villages, towns, cities and even countries. Children, today the use of modern technologies ensure broad and smooth roads. Children, what are highways? The network of roads connecting major cities of the country are called highways, also called freeways or expressways. We learn famous highways. What are the famous highways? Yes, the King Highways, the Australian Transcontinental Highway and the Pan American Highway. We learn important Indian roadways. What are the important Indian roadways? Yes, the Grand Trunk Road, Khyber Pass, Indo-Tibet Road and the Golden Quadrilateral. We learn railways. A large number of people and goods can be easily transported over long distance using trains. Railways are faster and cheaper than roadways. Children, Indian Railways network is one of the oldest and longest in the world. Children, we learn important railway lines of the world. Next we learn waterways. Water transport helps to carrying heavy and bulky goods over long distance like the railways. Children, water transport can be divided into two types, inland waterways and ocean transport. The Brahmaputra and the Ganga are used as inland waterways in India. Ocean transport used for oceans or seas. Children, we learn important sea routes. What are the important sea routes? Yes, the Suez Canal route, the Panama Canal route and the North Atlantic route. Children, next we learn airways. Airways is the fastest means of transport. An aeroplane can fly over any kind of land, desert, mountain or vast ocean. Children, the airways is the fastest and most expensive mode of transport. The waterways is cheaper than other modes of transport. Children, we learn important airlines. Can you say some important airlines? Yes, American Airlines in USA, Britain Airways in Britain, Japan Airlines in Japan. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about the chapter 9 transport book exercise. Copy this answer in your book. First one, fill in the blanks. First question, dash is a long undersea rail tunnel in Japan. Children, dash is a long undersea rail tunnel in Japan. Yes, the answer is Seikon Tunnel. Seikon Tunnel is a long undersea rail tunnel in Japan. Second question, the dash was the first jumbo jet that was introduced in 1970. Yes, answer is Boeing 737. The Boeing 737 was the first jumbo jet that was introduced in 1970. Third question, the dash road connects India with Pakistan. Children, the dash road connects India with Pakistan? Yes, answer is Grand Trunk. The Grand Trunk Road connects India with Pakistan. Fourth question, the busiest sea route in the world is the dash route. Children, the busiest sea route in the world is the dash route. Yes, answer is North Atlantic route. The busiest sea route in the world is the North Atlantic route. Children, fifth question, dash is the flag carrier airlines of India. Yes, answer is Air India. Air India is the flag carrier airlines of India. Children, next one, state whether the following statements are true or false. First question, the Grand Trunk Road connects India with Sri Lanka. The answer is false. The correct answer is the Grand Trunk Road connects India with Pakistan. Second question, the Songhai Maklev is the fastest train in the world. The answer is true. Yes, the Songhai Maklev is the fastest train in the world. Third question, the invention of the wheel by humans led to the development of newer means of transport. Yes, answer is true. The invention of the wheel by humans led to the development of newer means of transport. Fourth question, roadways are the fastest means of traveling to far off places. The answer is false. Yes, airways are the fastest means of traveling to far off places. Fifth question, the world's first aeroplane was invented by the Wright brothers. Yes, answer is true. The world's first aeroplane was invented by the Wright brothers. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about chapter 8 Prairie's worksheet. Check your answer in your worksheet. First Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, most grasslands are found in the dash. Option A, torrid zone. Option B, temperate zone. Option C, frigid zone. The answer is option B, temperate zone. Most grasslands are found in the temperate zone. Second question, the climate of grasslands in the southern hemisphere is dash. Option A, hot and cold. Option B, mild. Option C, extremely wet. The answer is option B, mild. The climate of grasslands in the southern hemisphere is mild. Third question, the temperate grasslands of Australia are known as the dash. Option A, towns. Option B, pampas. Option C, steppes. The answer is option A, towns. The temperate grassland of Australia are known as the towns. Fourth question. The extensia are located after by the dash. Option A, gauchos. Option B, pygmies. Option C, cowboys. The answer is cowboys. The extensia are located after by the cowboys. Fifth question. The grasslands in North America are known as the dash. Option A, prairies. Option B, pampas. Option C, savannas. The answer is prairies. The grasslands in North America are known as the prairies. Sixth question. The grassland known as the granary of the world is the dash. Option A, wells. Option B, prairies. Option C, towns. The answer is prairies. The grassland known as the granary of the world is the prairies. Seventh question. An animal which is not found in the prairies. Option A, cow. Option B, bison. Option C, camel. The answer is option C, camel. An animal which is not found in the prairies, camel. Eighth question. Tropical grassland are called the dash. Option A, towns. Option B, bush. Option C, pampas. The answer is pampas. Tropical grasslands are called the pampas. Children, second Roman, fill in the blanks. First question. A dash is an area where the vegetation is dominated by grasses. Yes, answer is grassland. A grassland is an area where the vegetation is dominated by grasses. Second question. Dash is the biggest center for splintering animals. Yes, answer is Chicago. Chicago is the biggest center for splintering animals. Third question. Dash are located in the temperate zone. Answer is grasslands. Grasslands are located in the temperate zone. Fourth question. The dash and dash rivers flow through the prairies. Yes, answer is Mississippi and Missouri. The Mississippi and Missouri rivers flow through the prairies. Fifth question. Main crop grown in the prairies is dash. Yes, answer is wheat. Children, the main crop grown in the prairies is wheat. Children, next one, write true or false. First question. Grasslands are stretches of hilly land. The answer is true. Grasslands are stretches of hilly land. Children, second question. Prairie dogs are a species of dogs. Yes, answer is true. Prairie dogs are a species of dogs. Third question. The grasslands have only a few trees. Yes, true. The grasslands have only a few trees. Fourth question. The grasses grow in the areas with more rainfall and short grasses grow in drier areas. The answer is true. The grasses grow in the areas with more rainfall and short grasses grow in drier areas. Fifth question. The people prairies rear livestock on open grasslands called ranches. The answer is true. The people prairies rear livestock on open grasslands called ranches. Children, fourth one, match the following. Children, match the following divided into two columns. One part is question part and another one part is answer part. First question, steps. The answer is option D, Eurasia or Russia. Second question, towns. The answer is option C, Australia. Towns in Australia. Third question, Pambas. The answer is option B, South America. Children, Pambas in South America. Fourth question, prairies. The answer is option E, North America. Prairies in North America. Fifth question, wells. The answer is option A, South Africa. Children, wells in South Africa. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about chapter 9, transport, question and answers. First Roman, answer the following questions. First question, how are the major cities of the country connected? The answer is the major cities of the country are connected through a network of roads called highways. Then, what are highways? The network of roads connecting major cities of the country are called highways, also called freeways or expressways. Second question, write the classification of transport system. Children, the answer is the transport system can be classified into roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Children, the four main modes of transport are roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Children, third question, who invented the first aeroplane and when? List any four international airlines. The answer is the world's first airplane was invented by the Wright brothers, Wilbur and Orville, in the year 1903. Children, some important airlines are American Airlines in USA, British Airways in Britain, Air Canada in Canada, Aeroflot in Russia. Children, who invented the first aeroplane? The world's first airplane was invented by the Wright brothers. Children, fifth question, expand the following. First question, NHAI. Second question, AIL. First, NHAI, it means National Highway Authority of India. Second question, AIL. It means Air India Limited. Fifth question, explain briefly about Indian Railways. Answer is, a large number of people and goods can be easily transported over long distance using trains. Children, railways are the cheapest and the most widely spread means of transport in our country. Railways are faster and cheaper than roadways. Children, the first train in India ran between Bombay and Thane in 1853. India has the fourth largest railway network in the world. Children, today India has one of the largest network of railways in the world. Children, at present we have many fast moving trains connecting important cities of the nation. Some superfast trains of India are the Shatabdi Express and the Rajdhani Express. Children, railways are a highly important means of transport. Okay children, I hope you all understand this chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.